Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. So today I'm recreating the look of famous bridal makeup artist Mrs. PARUL GARG. She is in the list of 16 top makeup artists in Delhi NCR. She has incredible bridal looks in her gallery. So sit back, relax and enjoy the look. Starting with prepping my face by applying toner first. Here I'm using Good Vibes Mulberry Glow Toner, followed by the serum. It's from Good Vibes again. Full of moisture with vitamin C and B3. And then for moisturizing my face, I'm using cucumber gel. Try to use gel based moisturizers in summer. You can use any other gel like aloe vera gel, orange gel, etc. You must wait for 5 minutes after prepping your face. While I'm doing my eyebrows first, and then moving to the eye makeup. Here I'm using Hilary Rora palette. To clean up underneath the brows as well as the base of my eyes, I'm going to using a concealer. This is a Maybelline concealer in the shade Fair. Setting it with a compact powder. Now for eye makeup, I'm going with this dark brown shade with a blending brush. And I'm blending it on my crease area. Now with a flat shader brush, I'm going to dip in this shade to apply all over my lid as base. Then I will move to the shimmer shade as she had applied on her lid. After that, I'm softening the edges with the dark brown shade again with this blending brush and pushing the color out. And for outer corner, she had applied a black shade, so I'm doing the same and blending it in the outer corner. Now let's finish our base makeup before we move to the lower lash line. Using Purplle 24 karat primer, I'm applying in the areas where I have pores so that I fill them before applying anything on it. And this is an oil-free primer. This gives a natural matte finish. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. This is a lightweight foundation and has very creamy consistency and gives a pretty good coverage as you can see in the video. It's paraben free and stays for longer, and I'm blending it with the AmsterDAMN Beauty blender. And using a Maybelline concealer again, I'm cleaning the underneath of my eyes and then on my high planes just to give dimension on my face. And I will blend everything by a damp sponge. And I will set my face with the powder with the same sponge. Now for bronzer, I'm going with this palette of Sugar. This is a beautiful palette. You got a highlighter, bronzer and a blush too. So I'm using bronzer to sculpt my face. And going with the blush from the same palette. And then using the highlighter, I'm creating a light illumination all over. Also, I'm highlighting my inner corner of my eyes and brow bone. Now for my lower lash line, I'm using a flat definer brush under my waterline with the brown shade, and then applying my kajal from NY Bay and blending it with a black eyeshadow with the same flat definer brush. So for the lips, I'm using Chocolate Mousse from Blue Heaven Splash, and then highlighting my lips with a shimmer with the same sugar palette to get the shine like her. Now I'm applying my eyeliner. She had applied very thin line close to the eyelash, so I'm doing the same. Now applying mascara from Purplle. Amazing mascara. Now you can see the huge difference in both my eyes. I didn't apply any falsies, and you can see my eyelashes. So I'm imitating her. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you loved the look. And if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, click the subscribe button for more such videos. Thank you.